Hey everyone, welcome to the guide on how to create an image with Meta AI. Let's dive right in. Meta AI is a great tool for sparking creativity and generating unique images. First, make sure your WhatsApp is updated. Open WhatsApp on your phone and go to your chat. At the top of the screen, you'll see the Meta AI search bar. You can type your image description directly here or choose the Meta AI chat option. Describe in detail what you want the AI to create, like, imagine a cat riding a bicycle on a rainbow. When you're happy with your description, hit the send button. After a few moments, Meta AI will generate your image in the chat. To save the image, tap on it, then tap the three vertical dots, and select Save to Photos to store it on your phone. That's all there is to it. Now you can create amazing and unique images using Meta AI on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.